How to do the deja vu trend on TikTok. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the deja vu trend on TikTok. So first thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok. This trend is go so viral these days, so go to the plus button on the middle. You see the option that says effect, tap on there. Now you can see a lot of effect, but I don't see this filter on my trend effect. So what I'm gonna do is go back and tap on discover, tap on search, and I'm gonna tap deja vu challenge. I can't see I can't see the effect, but I'm gonna tap deja vu filter. This is I can see the effect, but I'm gonna choose some video, and this is the deja vu. I'm gonna tap on there. This is the filter. I'm gonna tap on try this effect, and you can try the effect, and you need the sound. You can tap on the sound up, and you choose the sound you want. The sound that used on this filter is by Olivia Rodrigo. And this is it. This is how to use, and this is how to do the deja vu filter or deja vu trend. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and the like.